Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be talking about AMC Entertainment, currently down 2.89% today. And today's video is actually going to be about, we're kind of going to do an AMC Entertainment earnings overview, kind of where the company is going to be headed and where I actually think AMC stock is going to be headed in the next year. So let's dive in. Let's talk about the stock and let's see what's up with AMC. So if we take a look at it, AMC has been doing pretty well ever since its lowest kind of stock price, as you guys can see here, trading around $2.80 and went all the way up to about $20 on January 27th and now currently sitting at $8.92. And a lot of people are wondering, is AMC Entertainment a good buy at $8.93? I honestly do think AMC Entertainment is a good buy at $8.92. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But if we take a look, AMC Entertainment has a lot of upgrowth potential from here. And I actually do think the stock is going to be going up here in the near-term future. Now, on March 10th, after hours, we are getting a dive in on AMC Entertainment's Q4 sales. I do expect them to be a little bit better than what they were actually posting up when the pandemic first hit, because movie theaters are opening up again, which is a very good sign. And as you guys can see, on March 5th, coming up here in a couple of days, New York City is now going to reopen up its movie theaters. And that's honestly going to drive a lot of business and definitely boost the Q1 and Q2 outlook for AMC, which is definitely going to push the stock upward as well. But if we dive in, there's a lot of people argue, that AMC Entertainment is going to go bankrupt. For me, I actually do not think that is the case. I don't think AMC Entertainment is going to go bankrupt. And there's a lot of reasons I think this. One, there's been a lot of people who have not been able to go to the movie theaters for a very long time. Now that the movie theaters are reopening back up, this is definitely going to have people wanting to go to the movie theaters a lot more. And it's definitely going to drive up the price and it's definitely going to boost its sales. For me, I love going to the movies. I can't wait for movie theaters to open back up, so I can actually go watch a movie in an actual movie theater. Yes, you can stream them at home, and yes, it's cheaper, but to be honest, it's not the same experience. It's not as much fun. I'd just rather prefer to go to the movie theaters. And if we take a look at it, AMC is the largest movie exhibition company in the United States, and it's also the largest in Europe, and it's the largest throughout the world with approximately 1,000 theaters and 11,000 screens across the globe. So AMC is one of the biggest companies. So if we really take a look at it, I don't think AMC is actually going to go anywhere. This company does have a lot of backing, and this company honestly has been doing very, very well for a very long time. Obviously, it just so happened that the stock was just one of those stocks that got affected by the pandemic. Obviously you can't be in close proximity spaces. So this really did put a huge kind of strain on AMC. AMC Entertainment was pretty close to bankruptcy, but was able to sell some stock at the $20 mark to help keep itself afloat. But it's just kind of like diving in a little bit deeper. It's like airlines and cruises and stuff like that. It just happened to be one of those industries that, was not fortunate enough to be able to stay open during the pandemic and was not able to do well. So AMC Entertainment is still here to stay. I do expect a lot of upside potential for AMC as a company. I expect their earnings to start being better. Like I said, with their earnings coming up on March 10th for Q4, I don't expect their earnings to be absolutely fantastic, but I also don't expect their earnings to be through the roof either. I do think that there's going to be a median that, but for me, I'm looking more towards is there signs of a recovery for AMC? Is the earnings getting better? Are AMC earnings generally just headed in the upward direction? That's kind of what people want to be looking for. And a lot of people are holding AMC, they're bullish on AMC, and, that's a very good thing. And yes, there is still a potential chance at a short squeeze if the stock gets driven up far enough. But for me, if we even take a look at it from just an investment standpoint, AMC is not a bad investment. The company does have a lot to offer, and I think, in my personal opinion, it's actually a very safe investment with a lot of upward potential. Who knows where this company could be over the next year, next 2 years, as states start to reopen up, as the economy starts to get better, and as vaccines are continuing rolling out. We have a lot of companies creating vaccines, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, and there's so many companies that are starting to roll out vaccines. And as people start feeling more safe to start going out again, it's definitely going to push stocks like AMC, airlines, and cruises up a lot. And the reason I say this is because, like I said, people have not been able to go to the movies for such a long time. So people are going to be dying to want to go back to the movie theater and actually just feel like normal once again. They just want to sit in a movie theater with some popcorn and a soda and just watch a theater on the big screen. Yes, streaming is getting a lot more popular, and people do think that has led to the recent decline in stocks like AMC. But for me, I honestly don't think it's correlated. I know once the pandemic goes away, the AMC is going to start resurfacing its all-time highs, and I do think that the company is still going to do very well. You know, streaming is cool and all, and it's cool how you have access to all these shows and movies from home, but it's never really going to take away from the experience of actually being able to go to the movie theater. You know, it's never going to be able to take that experience away, and since the experience has not been available to so many people for so long, I'm definitely expecting a lot of good Q1 and Q2 earnings. But for Q4 earnings, I don't expect a huge, absolutely monstrous earnings report, but I don't expect their earnings to be actually bad either. But for me, it's kind of more of an outlook of where the company is going to be headed in the next couple of months. I do think AMC is worth to buy $8.88. I do think people should take the time and invest in the stock. I do think that the stock does have a lot of upside potential, and I do think the stock is going to be a very good long-term hold. Now, I do want people to know who are holding AMC that this is going to be a longer-term investment. We do need the economy to reopen back up fully. We do need the pandemic to kind of slowly just stop, kind of go away for AMC to make that full recovery. But once it does, I'm promising you, people who have invested in the company early are probably going to have, you know, kind of be a little bit more thankful that they bought the stock when it was super, super cheap. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. What do you guys think of AMC Entertainment's earnings? Do you guys think AMC is going to post up good earnings? If you guys own AMC Entertainment stock, how many stocks do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.